Welcome back to the SandPond saga. SandPond is a voxel engine. It simulates different voxel elements like sand and water and more. But there are so many different engines out there ready for us to explore. Today, let's try out as many as we can. To test out each engine, let's make the same element in each one. Now, many of them already have sand in them. So to make sure we're making something new, let's make pink sand. Let's start at home with the SandPond engine. So I download a fresh copy from GitHub and write my element in the custom elements file. Now, SandPond elements are written in the SPLATy language, which looks like this. I draw a before and after diagram with little symbols to show how the sand should fall. But we know all of this already. Now, let's get travelling to somewhere new. Dave Ackley's Movable Feast Machine Simulator, MFMS, is a simulator for a new type of computer that can be as big as you want. It's a huge inspiration for everything I do, so it's a great place to start. I fire up a virtual Linux machine and clone the engine from GitHub. I use a script to install everything I need, and then we're good to go. Elements can be written in SPLAT, a spatial programming language that looks like this. Again, I can do those before and after diagrams, showing how the sand should behave. And here it is. Andrew Walpole's MFM-JS is another simulator of the movable feast machine with some different design goals. It aims to be as accessible as possible by running in your browser, and you can try it out at mfm.rocks. So for pink sand, I copy and paste the instructions from GitHub, and then I write some TypeScript. Here's the sand in action. Let's travel further by exploring Max Bittker's Sandspiel. There's something so calm and creative about it. Every element feels valuable. I like how the stone element works, so I copied it in SandPond. Anyway, for pink sand, I copy and paste the instructions from GitHub and install a few things along the way. Then I write some Rust. Here is pink sand in Sandspiel. Cells by Daniel Esteban is an extremely new experimental engine. I'm a big fan of Daniel's voxel worlds, so it's really cool to see their version of a sand engine, and it feels so smooth to use. So for pink sand, I cloned the engine with GitHub Desktop. Then I wrote some old school C. Here is my slightly lopsided pink sand. Murilo Polese's SPLATy Code lets you play with spatial rules. You can set different rules for each letter of the alphabet by drawing before and after diagrams. The letter X is pink in this engine, so I use that to make some rules for pink sand. And here it is in action. Max Bittker's Alchemy Online lets you control the laws of physics by placing down powerful runes. Again, we've got before and after diagrams. So I make pink sand by carefully arranging some runes. And here it is in the Alchemy Online cauldron. Murilo Polese's Color Code is a beautifully simple simulation that lets you code with colors. Just make a before and after diagram like usual. I draw some rules for pink pixels to make pink sand. Here it is. Earlier on, we visited the Movable Feast Machine simulator. Now, let's travel to the real thing. Dave Ackley's T2 tile is a real-world implementation of an indefinitely scalable computer. So, to get pink sand running on it, I used the popular programming language English to ask Dave to help me out. And all the way from the other side of the world, here it is. I hope you enjoyed our trip around the world. Since planning this video, I've come across even more engines out there. Maybe you know some too. Please do let me know. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. And hopefully, I'll see you next time.